Good morning, friends. Today is 12th of October, and I am Shuchi Rungta here presenting the morning market update. The Nifty has lost 257 points to close at 16,983. It broke our mentioned range of 17,200 to 500 on the lower side and closed below the same. The opening and the high of the Nifty was same, and Nifty kept trading lower throughout the day with accelerated sell-off in the last hour closing below 17,000. The selling was witnessed across the board through all sectors, with real estate and metals being the top losers. The daily RSI is below 50, sloping down, and the moving averages setup is bearish, acting as resistance and sloping downwards. The setup is clearly indicating that market is to test the recent lows of 16,750. The global market setup still remains weak. Dow registered minor gains, gaining around 0.5% yesterday, whereas S&P 500 and Nasdaq continued with their bearish price action, losing over half and 1% respectively. The FIIs have sold aggressively, selling 4,612 crores in the cash market, which is highest in this month. On the option chain, we see significant OI increase at the 17,200 call strike. IT stocks, HCL Tech and Wipro to announce their results today, and Infosys and Mindtree to announce tomorrow. India VIX trades above 20 levels, and dollar index is continuing its strength and trades at 113.5. SGX Nifty currently is flat at 16,963. To conclude, the market trend is clearly down. All pullbacks must be used to sell. However, this fall can be used to accumulate quality stocks, which has been showing good relative strength for medium to long term. Levels for the day: Nifty support will be seen at 16,850 and 16,750. Resistance 17,150 and 17,060. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 38,500 and 38,200. Resistance 39,150 and 39,560. Thank you.